How to easily remove grime and odor from cement floors using kitchen chemistry. Azlan Adnan's simple but effective method. When it comes to stubborn grime, oily residues, or persistent odors on cement surfaces, most store-bought cleaners either underperform or introduce toxic fumes, environmental hazards, or excessive cost. But what if a highly effective, low-toxicity alternative already existed in your kitchen cabinet? Enter Azlan Adnan, a science-savvy home chemist and eco-practical thinker who has refined a powerful yet safe cleaning method using everyday ingredients, vinegar, salt, laundry powder, and bleach, in a way that mimics industrial cleaning reactions without the industrial risk. This is more than a one-off floor scrub. It's a self-refreshing, rain-activated chemical system designed to clean cement floors now and again later, whenever it rains. It works with natural processes, harnesses household chemistry, and costs almost nothing. Let's explore what makes it so effective. Ingredients, quantities, and method. This method is elegantly simple and scalable. One batch is enough to treat several square meters of cement flooring. Ingredients: 250 milliliters white vinegar, 5% acetic acid, 250 milliliters saturated sodium chloride solution. Make by dissolving salt into boiling water until no more dissolves, approximate 2.5 parts water to 1 part salt by weight. 125 to 250 milliliters household bleach, 5 to 6% sodium hypochlorite, 1 to 2 tablespoons laundry soap powder, any standard variety. Method. 1. In a large bucket, combine the vinegar and saturated salt solution. Stir in the laundry powder until mostly dissolved. Warm water can help here. 3. In a well-ventilated area, add the bleach slowly to the mix. Expect a faint chlorine scent and gentle bubbling. 4. Mop this solution directly onto the cement surface. 5. Do not rinse. Allow it to dry completely and naturally. The result is a clean, degreased, and deodorized surface. But more than that, it's now been primed for future cleaning events every time it rains. Hash. The chemistry behind the magic. This method relies on a subtle but clever reaction that mirrors the classic reaction of bleach with hydrochloric acid to release chlorine gas. NaOCl plus 2HCl, Cl2 plus NaCl plus H2O. Azlan Adnan substitutes hydrochloric acid with a milder, safer mixture, acetic acid, vinegar, and sodium chloride, table salt. Together, they generate the protons H-pies and chloride ions Cl-mins required to trigger a low-efficiency chlorine release when bleach, sodium hypochlorite, is added. This inefficiency is deliberate and beneficial. Instead of flooding the air with hazardous chlorine gas, the reaction produces modest but sufficient amounts of chlorine that oxidize organic grime, neutralize odors, and disinfect surfaces with minimal risk to the user. The addition of laundry powder, containing surfactants, sodium carbonate, and sometimes minor chlorinated agents, enhances cleaning power, emulsifies grease, and may contribute trace chlorine under acidic conditions. Why a weak reaction is the right choice? Azlan Adnan's method is grounded in chemical wisdom. By choosing a slower, gentler reaction pathway, he avoids the hazards of concentrated acid bleach mixtures, while still delivering powerful results. There are two main reasons this inefficient reaction is the smarter choice. #1, small amounts of chlorine go a long way. Even minimal chlorine release is highly effective at oxidizing grime, breaking down urine residues, killing bacteria, and eliminating foul odors. There's no need for a heavy dose when trace release is more than enough. 2. Built-in safety. Using vinegar and salt rather than hydrochloric acid ensures that the reaction remains mild and manageable. Chlorine is released in gentle quantities without choking fumes or dangerous spikes in gas concentration, perfect for outdoor use, like cement corridors or driveways. The self-refreshing bonus. Rainwater reactivation. What truly sets this method apart is what happens after cleaning. Azlan Adnan's recommendation is to let the solution dry fully on the cement without rinsing. This leaves behind a thin, invisible residue made up of sodium chloride, sodium acetate, surfactants from the laundry powder, possibly some stable chlorine-containing compounds. When it rains, this residue is redissolved and reactivated. The acidity, salt, and any remaining hypochlorite begin to work again, releasing a new trace of chlorine gas, oxidizing fresh contaminants and cleansing the surface again, automatically. This creates a semi-passive sanitizing cycle, where one application continues to provide benefit long after drying, The next rainfall becomes a built-in maintenance wash. Surfaces remain cleaner and odor-free for longer. It's clever chemistry harnessed by weather. Why this method deserves recognition. Azlan Adnan's approach is more than a clever hack. It's a textbook case of kitchen chemistry at its best. It's scientifically sound, environmentally gentle, cost-effective, tactically safer than commercial acid bleach mixes, and uniquely self-refreshing thanks to its rain-triggered afterlife. This is not just a mop-and-go solution. It's a well-engineered system that fuses chemistry, sustainability, and practical home care. It's ideal for outdoor cement corridors, patios, driveways, garage floors, and any hard, porous surface exposed to organic grime and humidity. In a world full of over-engineered and over-packaged products, this method stands out for its elegant simplicity, rooted in timeless chemical principles. Final words. Azlan Adnan has shown how an everyday home can be maintained with the quiet power of well-applied science. His method uses nothing exotic, just vinegar, salt, laundry powder, and bleach. But the results are lasting, effective, and smart. With this approach, cleaning doesn't end when the floor dries. Thanks to its self-renewing nature, every rainfall becomes a second chance to scrub, sanitize, and refresh. The floor cleans itself. It's a method born of insight and experience, one that deserves a place in every homeowner's practical playbook.